Well, guys, I have this package over here. This is a whole kitchen faucet. Basically, this is a foam that it covers, of course, the product that we have over here. This is a, of course, warm tips for you. This is, of course, the manual that you can see. Everything is gonna be over here, right? It's gonna be like this, right? If you can see it. And over here, you have instructions too. You have instructions in Spanish, in Portuguese, in French. You have everything over here. So everything is all gonna be here. So it's really, really nice. So that's the first thing. Let me take this out over here. So the first thing that you're gonna see is, of course, the kitchen faults. I'm not gonna take it out everything, of course, because it's a lot of things over here. But if you can see, oh, it's really nice. Oh wait, okay. So it extends, of course. It's really nice because I'm gonna move out of my house. So of course I need to buy it because I want to, have something new too, and it's gonna be really, really nice. One thing that I'm gonna tell you guys about this is that you have 3 modules of spray. You have stream, you have double broom, and you have a spray. The stream is for fast filling, the double broom is for effortless cleaning, and the spray is for quick rinsing. So it's a really, really good thing that you need to know. So right now, of course, I'm going to do it like in a couple of days this to apply it on my kitchen and everything. But I really recommend it if you want to have like a more exotic, kitchen fault. So there you go. I hope you're gonna buy it because this is really, really nice. I 100% recommend it. So guys, here I have a kitchen faucet that I'm gonna explain everything that I have over here. So the first thing is it's very textured, it's very heavy and durable. So you need to look for that. That's the first thing. The second thing is the handle is very flexible and you're not gonna have problems with the leaks. That's a good part about this, that you need to look for that. One good feature that we have over here is the soap dispenser. The soap dispenser that we have over here, normally they don't give this away, like you need to buy this in another store, whatever, but this comes with the soap dispenser that is very, very helpful. So we're gonna talk here right now is the blue tab over here, and this is for remove the bubbles, right? You can just apply it over here. Wait, there you go. And you can remove the bubblers, right? So after installing the gravity ball, this is the gravity ball, right? Can be automatically retracted. So it's really, really nice. It's heavy on top of that, so you're gonna have problem with that. This is a good option because it can pull up to 20 inches, right? And with this 20 inches, you can basically clean 2 sinks. I'm not gonna lie to you. It has 3 options of mode so you can clean. So it's really, really nice. And my recommendation is if you want a luxury kitchen, a luxury sink, this is the best option that you can have because it's really, really beautiful and the material is really nice. I'm not gonna lie to you.